Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can put a mini spool in a non-LSD Holden 10 bolt Salisbury Diff. As you know, you can't buy mini spools for this diff, only full spools and true track centers. Now I know you can weld it and save time. I didn't want to do that. I wanted it to see if my theory worked. For starters, you will need an LSD mini spool. As you can see, it doesn't fit. So you need to start die grinding the sides down. Make sure you keep the middle circumference the same. Make sure all your measurements are correct before starting this procedure. On the crown wood side, I'm just going up to the first line. On your mini spool, the pin won't fit, so you will need to drill it out, and on the sides you will need to lay it down to your gear size. As you can see, it's starting to get there and starting to fit. Just a bit more die grinding. This is what the mini spool looks like laid down and drilled. The pin fits perfect. This is the difference between the lathe mini spool and the original. Like I mentioned before, make sure you lay it down to your gear size. Perfect fit. I use washers so it doesn't move and it feels solid. Instead of using the original pin, I'm using a high tensile bolt with a lock nut. I've marked all my gears so they all line up when I put the sphere back in. Check that out. Like some friends will say, oh my god, it works. Both wheels spin. Now that's how you put a mini spool in your Holden 10-bolt Salisbury open wheeler diff. Now it's time to put the remaining parts on. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button and share with your friends. Let's see on the next test if this can withstand a burnout.